What if I told you that in less than an hour, Claude AI built me this fully functional temporary email WordPress plugin? No coding from scratch, no expensive developer, just AI. And in case you don't know what a temporary email is, it's a disposable email address that lets you receive emails without using your personal inbox. It's commonly used to sign up for websites, test applications, or protect your privacy from spam. You can create a random email just by clicking on the new email button, copy the mail, and use it for whatever you want. Just a few years ago, creating a website like this will require you to pay a developer to get it done. But today, with just a single prompt, you can get it done for free without spending anything. Even people with no coding experience can now build some things they've never dreamed of doing themselves. Imagine turning an idea into a working WordPress plugin just by chatting with AI. That's exactly what I did. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I built this plugin using Claude AI, the prompts I used, the challenges I ran into, and how we turned a simple idea into a working WordPress plugin. If you've ever wanted to build your own plugin with AI, even if you're not an experienced developer, you'll see the entire process from start to finish. So let's jump right in. Open the Claude app or the website and type this exact prompt. I need you to build me a single-page temp mail WordPress plugin. The front end should be displayed with a single shortcode. This should be free for everyone to use, so I will need you to use any free temp mail API provider for this. I'm sure you will find a perfect one to use. Make sure the front end has a good design. I would have recommended how it should look myself, but I believe you will do a very good job, so please just make it look professional enough for the admin side. Not sure what the admin side should have, but I will trust you to do a very good job and add necessary things or features. Like I said, I want to make this a totally free to use, so the API provider should be completely free. Then hit the send button and Claude will start building immediately. Right now, Claude is analyzing everything we've asked for. It's breaking the project into different components, planning the plugin structure, deciding which files need to be created, and figuring out how everything should work together. One thing I really like about Claude is that it doesn't just throw random code together. It actually thinks through the architecture of the plugin first, before it starts generating the code. Remember, we're not asking it to build just a simple page. This is a complete WordPress plugin with both a professional front end and a fully functional admin dashboard. It needs to generate PHP files, JavaScript, CSS, WordPress hooks, admin pages, database logic if needed, API integration, AJAX requests, and make sure everything works together. I'm also letting Claude make a lot of the design decisions on its own. Instead of telling it exactly how every button or page should look, I simply asked it to create something professional. That's one of the advantages of using modern AI models. They're actually pretty good at making sensible UI and UX decisions when you give them enough freedom. For the admin dashboard, I didn't provide a long list of features either. I told Claude to include whatever it believes is necessary for managing a temporary email service. That means it'll decide what settings should exist, what statistics should be displayed, how inboxes should be managed, and how administrators should interact with the plugin. Another important thing is that I specifically requested a completely free API provider. That's because I want anyone who downloads this plugin to be able to use it without paying for expensive third-party services. If there's a good free solution available, that's the one I want Claude to integrate. What's interesting is that Claude isn't just writing one huge file, it's creating the project piece by piece, organizing everything into the proper WordPress folder structure. That makes the plugin much easier to maintain and update later on. While it's generating the code, it's also checking for dependencies, making sure functions are organized properly, avoiding duplicate code, and following WordPress development practices as closely as possible. This is honestly one of the biggest reasons AI has become such a powerful tool for developers. It doesn't replace understanding how software works, but it dramatically speeds up the development process. Tasks that might have taken hours or even days to build manually can often be completed much faster with the right prompt. Of course, that doesn't mean the first version is always perfect. We'll still test the plugin, look for bugs, improve the design if necessary. Building software is almost always an iterative process, whether a human writes the code or AI does. As you can see, Claude is still generating the project. Depending on how large and complex your request is, this can take a little while. The more detailed your prompt is, the more work Claude has to do, but the quality of the output is usually much better as well. And this is why I always recommend spending more time writing a detailed prompt instead of rushing straight into code generation. Once Claude finishes generating everything, we'll install the plugin on WordPress, test every feature, and see if it actually delivers what we asked for. That's the real test, because generating code is one thing, building a plugin that actually works is something else entirely. Let's wait for it to finish, and then we'll see what Claude has built for us. Alright, it's done, so I'm just going to download this and install it on WordPress and show you the result. It's installed and the front-end shortcode page is created already, so I will just copy the page URL and open it in another browser. Alright, this is final result. This is exactly what Claude built. A fully functional temporary email service that can be used for free by everyone. The design is good, but not professional enough if you ask me, but it's good and everything works perfectly. And that's it! Claude AI successfully built our temporary email WordPress plugin from a single prompt. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you'd like me to build next using AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.